the city. Maybe you should travel Yukon. I'll pick up whenever you call. In the parking lot of Tucson. Are you with me? In the phantom with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. Looking up, you get a move on. Make you hard when I know.
Good morning, guys. I wanted to come through and walk you through this part of my morning routine. So after I make my lemon water, I like to head back to my bed. Sometimes I'll do it from the couch, just kind of depends on my mood that day. And I will sit down and journal. I like to do like 5 to 10 minutes of journaling. This is a template that I picked up off Etsy. I can go ahead and link it in the description box if you would like. And then from there, I will do my Bible app, just read some of the scriptures for the morning. And I do a little bit of meditation. I'll either do breath work or I'll just listen to like a morning affirmation meditation. And then I go ahead and I start getting ready for the gym. So this is where I'm taking out my overnight curls. This is a game changer if you are someone who has like a sew-in or have a blowout. Get the overnight curls because it makes styling your hair so much easier in the morning. I was going to Pilates this day, so I just went ahead and threw on a headband, and then I went and got dressed. I'm wearing a set from Fabletics. This is actually linked on my Shop My if you're interested. I love this top. It's just so comfy, and the leggings stay in place for the workout, which is great. But we headed over to Pilates after this. I tried to film in Pilates, and for some reason my camera just kept turning off, so I have no clips of me in Pilates, but we're back. Making my breakfast sandwich. I meal prepped these yesterday. I did like egg bake, and I put the sandwiches together. I'm toasting bagel, warming up the stuff. I'm trying out a new bagel today. They're Hero bagels, and they are 130 calories for the full bagel, 4 grams of carbs, 19 grams of protein, 0 grams of something else. I don't know, I'll put the facts on the screen. I think for the full sandwich is 380 calories. I am gonna put a little bit of light mayo on there, so that's gonna add probably 5 calories because I'm not using a tablespoon amount. I probably really should be using a measuring spoon so I can see exactly how much I'm putting on here, but I know I'm not using the full 20 calories amount, so it's fine. And then I am gonna put a little bit of taco sauce. This is the one from Trader Joe's. And this is 23 calories for a tablespoon. Actually, no, 5 calories for a tablespoon. So, not gonna measure that either. I could add cheese to this. Am I gonna add some cheese? No, I'm not gonna add cheese. But I'm getting ready to head to my mom's office to help her out for the day. I just packed some shrimp and some fruit to snack on while I'm there. And I'm pretty sure that is where I will end the vlog for this morning. I just want to show you guys my morning routine. Ever since I came out with this morning routine, I just feel like my days are a lot more productive. I feel better throughout the day. I have a lot of energy right now, which is crazy because it's 9 a.m. and typically this is when I'm just waking up. So it feels good to have my workout already done for the day. I'm dressed, ready to go, and I'm very happy with the routine that I have built. I have a video, I'll tag it so you guys can check it out, but I just share the tips and tricks and the things that helped me become a 5 a.m. girl. And it'll go more into detail how I started at 8 a.m., then 7 a.m., 6 a.m., and then now I'm at 5 a.m. So that video goes into more details about how I structure my day and how I was able to become a 5 a.m. girl. Because I kept saying that if I became a 5 a.m. girl, I just feel like my life would change. And I agree. And now that I've done it, I think that my life is heading in the right direction. So hopefully this egg is ready. So we have the breakfast sandwich. Like I said, I'm going to put some taco sauce on there. You could add cheese if you wanted, but I am not going to do that. So let's give it a try. It's just like a regular bagel. I was seeing some people saying that the texture was weird, which I will say it is very soft. It's very soft, very doughy. So I think toasting it helped a lot. I don't really taste any difference. It tastes good. I will say they are kind of expensive. It was $11.99 for 5 bagels. When I was looking at their website, you can get 10 bagels for $30. Insane. So you might as well just pick it up at Whole Foods for the $11.99 for 5 bagels. Because then you can get 10 bagels for $22, $23, $24. But so I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my breakfast, but not bad. It tastes just like a regular bagel. I'm very anticlimactic, but nice. So I'm gonna finish my breakfast, then we're gonna get in the car and head to Warren.